I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Are your soils lacking organic matter? Then try adding Black Gold Canadian Sphagnum Peat Moss. High-quality peat moss is nature's best all-purpose soil conditioner. It adds needed structure and water-holding ability to poor-quality clay or sandy soils, giving plant roots a better growing environment. Peat moss also has remarkable ability to hold nutrients that would otherwise leach from the soil, allowing plants to more easily access needed fertilizer. And because peat doesn't readily compact or break down, one application will last for several years. Gardeners also use peat moss to lower their soil pH to better support acid-loving plants, such as blueberries, rhododendrons, and camellias. Peat is also an essential base for the best-performing potting mixes, which is why Black Gold adds it to all of its key potting mix and amendment blends. We also recommend Black Gold Peat Moss Plus for gardeners that like to formulate their own potting mixes. Our Peat Moss Plus has an additional organic wetting agent to ensure the peat wets easily and retains water and nutrients. Both Black Gold Canadian Sphagnum Peat Moss and Peat Moss Plus are 100% natural and organic and OMRI-listed for organic gardening. Black Gold Peat Moss is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.